Hey everybody, it's Danny at Midway again. Hey guys, I got a special treat for you today. Got a 2023 holdover. This is a Keystone Carbon 398 triple axle toy hauler. This bad boy's got Dragonfly lithiums on it, onboard Onan generator. You guys, this thing's beautiful on the outside. Big slide right here for your living. Triple axle like we were talking about. Hydraulic leveling system and a 17-foot garage with 2 drop-down beds and bunks. Don't worry, we'll get there. I'll show you everything inside. But guys, this thing is beautiful and perfect. Follow me inside for the rest. All right, guys, inside, we've got a special treat for you.
It's Campers with Karen. And we have the removable faucet head in the kitchen sink. And it comes with this handy dandy drying rack that can roll up. So you could roll it up halfway and use the half for drying, or you can roll it all the way and use the whole thing for drying or for extra counter space if you wanted to. That comes in super handy. Or you can roll the whole thing up and put it under the sink. And you've got your microwave, which it's not huge, but it's still usable and still very handy. And you have a shelf up here for any other like microwave safe lids you want to put on your food or anything like that. And you've got your stove and your oven, and it even has a drawer for your pots and pans to go underneath, so that's very handy. And the storage in this thing, look at how much storage you've got. You've got tons of cabinet space, and they stick really well, so nothing's going to fall out while you're driving, which is handy. And look at the fridge and the size of the fridge. I mean, man, that sucker is big. And you have your freezer and 2 drawers. That'll come in way handy for camping popsicles or anything you want to put in there. And a pantry. Even more food storage. Holy moly. Look how nice that is too. And you got your TV. That TV is bigger than the one at my house by a lot. But that's cool. And then you can store all of your books and little knickknacks underneath. And a stereo. Right, Danny? That's a stereo?
Yep, that's stereo. So you got speakers inside and outside. Control it all from here. You can be bumping inside and play that music so your neighbors can hear it as well. Another highlight of this up here is going to be this couch. Heat and massage. Fully reclines, all 3 sections recline, heat massage, and an amazing couch. Only Keystone's where you're going to find that.
You could go to the mountains and stay there for forever. Who needs to go home? And then you've got an awesome garage with seating in it. So you could just have a party.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is a 17-foot garage. Going to be one of the biggest out there. Both of these are going to drop down. The bottoms can be either couches or bunks. Then you got the top bunks. Both are queens. Come down ladders so you can get up there. It's perfect.
You could have a party at your camp spot and not have people come into your camper because you do have an extra bathroom in the garage, which that way you keep people and mud out of the actual camper part of your house.
Yep, and it's a full bathroom too, guys. Not one of those small half baths you're going to find in most toy haulers. That's a full bathroom with shower, and right behind Karen there, washer dryer prep. Because you can do laundry while you're camping. It's wild.
In your garage.
In your garage, absolutely.
Look at these lights. They are so classy. That farmhouse look. That's very cute.
Along with the pendant lights, guys, you got air conditioners for days in this thing. You can stay super cool no matter how hot it is.
Ooh, we have a removable shower head that we love so much. And it was in the garage bathroom too, so you could wash off muddy boots down there too. And look at all these little hooks for your towels. It's got lots of space. Lots of storage for towels and toothpaste and whatnot. That's super handy.
Another feature on this one, guys, on-demand tankless hot water heater. Doesn't just do the bathroom. You can do your kitchen, your outdoor shower, everything with that.
Wow. Got a lot of space in here, too.
Guys, and don't be deceived. We got this slide in right now because we're parked right next to another camper. Midway has so many campers, we honestly can't open every slide every time. This slide goes out about 2 feet. Huge wardrobe. Literally, you could put all your clothes in there.
And it has a little charger port right here so you can charge your phone, I'm assuming.
Yep, you just lay your MagSafe phones right there, charge them. You guys notice too, those yellow stickers on your outlets, those are inverter ready outlets. So if you need a CPAP while you're sleeping, you just want to plug something else in, those are going to work when you have your inverter running or your generator, of course.
And this is a little shelf. That's deceiving, but that's a little shelf. And there's little lights underneath it. You could read. You could store your book up there and then read. Look at that.
Upstairs in this master bedroom, you're also going to have its own air conditioner controlled by its own thermostat. So if you like it to be, 64, 65 degrees at the most while you're sleeping, the rest of the camper can be a little bit warmer if that's what you want to do. You guys, we've got this camper discounted below our cost. We're going to lose money by selling you this camper, but that's okay. Only Midway will do something like that. We just want to get you guys the best deal possible. 719-964-6256. That's my cell phone. Call, text me day or night. I'm going to hook you up. Thanks.
See you next time for Campers with Karen.